Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our weekly video series, where we tackle the most common areas in need of a good cleaning. This week, we're diving into the living room. You know, the living room is often the heart of the home, where we spend most of our time. But over time, it can become cluttered with dust, dirt, and other debris. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get started. First things first, we'll tackle the furniture. Give your couch, chairs, and ottomans a good vacuuming. And don't forget to clean under the cushions. Next, move on to the floor. Sweep or vacuum, and then mop or steam clean, depending on your flooring type. Now, let's not forget about the windows. Dust and clean the blinds, and give the windows a good wipe down. Finally, spruce up the room with some fresh flowers or plants. And there you have it, a sparkling clean living room, ready for you to enjoy. Thanks for joining us this week. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cleaning tips and tricks. Until next time, happy cleaning.